So yun, try natin yung Resident Evil dito sa iPhone 15 Pro Max. So yan. So makikita nyo dyan, set muna natin yung mga settings. Wala pa kasi yung controller, kaya ayan yung ano natin, nasa screen pa yung mga controls natin. So kailangan nyo nga pala naka-turn on yung iCloud Drive ninyo para magamit nyo siya. Tapos naka-turn on din yung Resident Evil sa iCloud para mag-play siya. Kasi kapag wala kayo nun, ulit-ulit lang kayo na kailangan nyo siyang i-turn on. Ayan. So settings lang. Ayan. Ayan, so almost done na tayo. Tingnan natin kung mapapa-under natin siya dito sa gamit nating phone. So nakita ko sa review, ang dami daw crashes ng game na to eh. So panoorin muna natin to.
My name? It's Ethan. Ethan Winters. It's been 3 years since everything happened at the Baker house. I was looking for my wife, who disappeared. I got an email from her. She told me to come get her. And of course, that's how I ended up in the middle of nowhere, Louisiana. I found Mia being held captive in a dark basement. She wasn't thinking right. She attacked me like some kind of wild animal. Later on, I found out that she was infected by a special kind of mold. I looked all over the house trying to find an antidote, a vaccine, anything. The people who lived there were already infected. What was left of them wasn't human. The source of the infection was a bioweapon that looked like a little girl. Her name was Evelyn. I fought the fucked up family and was able to treat Mia's symptoms with a serum. Then Chris Redfield and his soldier buddies showed up and saved the both of us. Is that enough?
Ayan, tapos na yung recap yata yun sa previous game. Ayan, so black lang siya, hindi ko alam kung ganyan talaga siya. So ayan, loading na tayo. Ayun. So ayan, kalkalin muna natin yung settings niya. Medyo nakakalito yung settings niya kasi puro ano eh. Nakaharang yung mga controls. Ayan, pwede na siguro yan. So, try natin laruin yung game. Tingnan natin kung gagana siya. Casual lang. Ayan, nag-block na. Ayun, so nag-crash na nga siya. Try natin ulit buksan. If gagana siya. Ayan, so skip lang natin yan. Tingnan natin kung mag-i-improve. Ayan, so, try natin start ulit. Ayan, so ayaw na naman. So alam ko may update na to pero ayaw pa rin. So mag-leave tayo ng review para magawa nila. So yun lang. Bye!